Hi everyone. In today's video, I thought I'd give you a little tour of my front porch. It's 93 degrees, pretty sunny, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I thought I'd get out here before the sun went down. The sun starts in the front and goes toward the back and makes it a little shady and a little bit hard to see in videos. So I guess I'll start out here at the bottom of my front stairs. So going up my stairs, I have this begonia. Got pretty big. I only put 3 little begonias in there and it got that big. Then going up my stairs, I have an English ivy that got really long. I'm gonna cut that back and make some cuttings out of it. A rusty red potato vine that's got so big that it's growing up the chain. Some spider plants over here on this 3-tier stand. And then I added one towards the bottom. And then over here I have a wandering Jew. I took some cuttings and planted up 3 of them. 1 in this galvanized bucket and then 2 in some hanging pots. Then over here I have some spider plants that got pretty big. It's almost time to propagate them. They are flowering already, so maybe a couple more weeks and I'll take some off. Matter of fact, I think these are pretty much ready. And then on my table, I have a syngonium, or otherwise known as an arrow plant, a spider plant, a red impatient, a white impatient in that galvanized bucket. Those galvanized buckets are probably 50, 60 years old. I got them from my grandmother a couple years back. Then I just bought these seat cushions to go along with my new rug. And then over here I have another potato vine. This is a Marguerite Sweet Caroline, I think it is, potato vine. Needs to be watered again. And then underneath of it in this clay pot is a big impatient. And then down here in these little pots I have rosemary, basil, 2 pots of strawberries, a Easter basket actually full of begonia, and then over there I have some mint. Smells great actually. The strawberries, they're their first year and they're doing okay. They were kind of a little bit bigger than that, but a little bit littler than I'm used to. And there is a praying mantis around here somewhere. I thought he'd come out for the camera, but I guess he's a little shy today. And then up in the hanging baskets, those are more cuttings I took this spring and planted them up. And then these are caladium in these Grecian pots that I spray painted a few months back. I did have some Dracena in them, but it gets too shady up here and they weren't growing. I gave them a good month, but they just sat and sat. So I put them in, one of them is in this pot and another one is in the backyard, but they grew in these because I move them around a little bit. And then in these clay pots on each side of the caladium, on both of them actually, I have begonia, white begonia. A little spider plant. There's the other wandering Jew. The caladium with the begonia on each side. They got pretty big, but I think they'd get a little bit bigger if it was a little bit more sunny around here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for a little bit more in that, what everyone says in all their videos. And then here's the view from the front. I can't see because of the sun, so I don't know what you all are saying. But alright, I guess I will see you guys in the next one.